Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate chip cookies. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Also, 1 cup of softened butter, 3/4 cup each of granulated and brown sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, grab 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Time for the best part, the chocolate chips. Gently fold in your 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Now, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake in your preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown. Almost ready to enjoy? Once baked, let your delicious chocolate chip cookies cool on the baking sheets for about 2 minutes. This helps them set up properly. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For the best flavor and texture, enjoy them warm with a glass of milk. Store any leftover cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.